Hey guys, Chris here with Crypto B Vision, bringing you another wicked video. Today we're going over a coin I've had my eye on for a little while. That coin is MATIC Network. It is for scaling Ethereum transactions on the blockchain. It is a sleeping giant, and in my opinion could be one of the better options for an investment for this bull run 2021 and into 2022. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through MATIC a little bit here, and then we're going to dig into the chart and see what happened. I actually charted this 2 or 3 days ago, and we're going to go through that chart as well as what the future predictions are. So I hope you enjoy this, guys. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell, guys. And drop me a comment. Are you invested in MATIC? Is this one of the coins you're looking at? We muchly appreciate it. And don't forget about joining that Telegram, guys. I've got an announcement channel and I post charts in there all day. It is awesome. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate your time and I appreciate you. Let's dig in to MATIC. Okay, guys, so we are looking at MATIC, currently sitting at 0.0265-ish. Let's refresh this. Oh, 0.272. It is going up, and I got an exciting chart for you. So make sure that you stick around until the end, because I have a question, a riddle, if you will, for you guys. So see if somebody can guess it. So what we're looking at here, MATIC, I like it. It's $132 million market cap. Trading volume is almost half of that. Circulating supply, about half of the total supply, and the fully diluted valuation here. MATIC is a sleeping giant, in my opinion. It has a lot to offer. We'll go over the website briefly. But another thing is, guys, it's not far off its all-time high, and if it breaks that, we're going to be looking at price discovery and exploration. So it's just over half of its all-time high right now, and we have a chart to show you here in just a sec. On the markets with MATIC, guys, it is everywhere. MATIC is everywhere. You have so many different places to buy it, and that's one more thing you want to look at is how many new users can enter a coin that they hear about. If it's on 1 or 2 exchanges or they don't know how to use Uniswap or something, there's a chance that they're not going to be able to get in there. But as you see, we got Wesrix, which is your India exchange, like Binance. Binance owns it, so it's on Bitrue, Poloniex, CoinEx, Probit, Zex, HitVC, CoinTiger, Huobi. It's everywhere, guys. So it's not hard for new retail to get it. That is a big thing that I look for when I'm looking for these in between, 50 and $150 million market cap coins. And I was cruising all this morning and I landed on MATIC. So if we go for a little brief overview with MATIC here, guys, it's scalable and instant blockchain transactions. So MATIC Network brings massive scale to Ethereum using an adapted version of Plasma with the proof-of-stake based sidechains. So MATIC isn't necessarily an Ethereum competitor. It's more of an add-on, which is, I think, a better route to go for these new platforms. This isn't that new, but for newer platforms trying to be the ETH killer, I think, is going to commit suicide, right? So why MATIC? So MATIC, decentralized apps are making huge progress, but current blockchain ecosystem is not prepared to scale as per the demand, as we've seen, guys, with slow block confirmations and extremely high gas fees lately. So for that to be solved, they have to target mass adoption by mainstream users. And most importantly, it needs awesome user experience. And that's what MATIC is driving to do. They're aiming to change that by simplifying the interaction between users and the decentralized world. They want to make interacting with decentralized ecosystems so easy that anyone can do it without worrying about the complexity of it. And I think that is a huge, huge deal, guys, because when you make it easy for new people, the chances of getting more new people are astronomical, right? So the scalability, they have high throughput, great user experience. And guys, one thing I did want to mention about MATIC is their Telegram has 35,000 people in there. Their Twitter has over, well, let's just take a quick look here. Their Twitter has almost 73,000 followers. So you mix $130 million market cap with a coin that's under 3 cents with 73,000 followers and 35,000 people in the Telegram group and an add-on, a positive add-on for Ethereum. I think you really have a great project. It's been around for a while. It's got good buzz. I think it's waiting to explode. And we're going to take a look at the chart here right now. So guys, looking at this MATIC chart, this chart was from a couple days ago. I had this all done and then I got busy, but where we first started charting this was about right here. I put that line there. We'll take that out of there now. So I had aggressive entry after the bounce with this lower trend line. Of course, it broke through, which would be worries, and it would have hit your stop loss. At this point, if you were watching it, you would have been stopped out, unfortunately. And then once it popped back in at the top of this green candle, we would have re-entered because it's back into this pattern here, right? So when it goes up, 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 and then it bursts through the breakout, good sign, you were in down here. So that's a good thing. And then recently, over the last couple of hours, it's broken out of this upper trend line, and this is what we call a retest. So this would be one of the safer entries in the trading charts. Comes back up, hits resistance, which is our first target, past our first target, and then we retest back down to the upper trend line. Now, at this point, guys, if we were to get everything out of here, I would suggest you get this long wick down, right, guys? So I would, you entered this trade down here, up here on the breakout, I would personally probably put my stop loss right here. This is where I would have it now. You see it's below all these past wicks. Let's get out of this. Out of this here, we'll get a little zoom in action. You see, it comes down, breaks out, retests. So at this point, if it comes back down into this and back down here, you want to be stopped out before we potentially get, could even be right there, right? Right there. 110 bars. Yeah, there you go. Cleaned it up a little bit, right? Because it goes up, pops out, and then coming back down for a retest. So I would even, you could put your stop there. I mean, you could even, if you wanted to get close, you could put it there, but it could come back down, retest, little wick, but it shouldn't go any further than right there. And then you have your targets from before. These are, these are your targets, right? So that target's done. You already made 7%. Your next stop, 22%. Well, if you entered down here. And then, yeah, that's basically it, guys. Something to keep in mind when you're doing these charts is, like I always say, you don't want to take, so maybe take profit right here, take profit right here, and take profit right here, because you don't want to take profit at the absolute peak, because that's where everybody that's doing TA is taking profit. They're trying to get the peak. So 80%, 75, 80% of your profits, that's where I would take it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video on MATIC, guys. I think it's a great project. I think it's going to do very, very well this bull run, and it's definitely something I will be keeping an eye on. But like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell, guys, and drop me a comment. What do you think about MATIC? Are you into it? Are you out? And if you're interested in getting charts like this, I have an announcement channel. I post all my charts in daily. Would love for you guys to be in there. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. So if you made it to the end of this video, I had a little question. I'm going to give $20 to the person that can tell me
who my favorite superhero is. All right, let's go. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ding that bell, guys, and drop me a comment. And hop in that Telegram. Let's get a chat going. Thanks a bunch, guys. We'll see you on the next one.